Batch creating content for YouTube is not about filming 30 random videos in one day and hoping that one hits. That is not batching. That is chaos with a camera. Real batching means that you sit down once, plan with intention, and create multiple videos that all connect to the same audience, the same problem, and the same offer. Most people batch content the wrong way. They ask, what videos can I make? But the better question to ask is, what does my audience need to understand before they trust me enough to take that next step? And that question gives you better videos. So here's how to batch create content for YouTube. Step number one, pick one core topic. Do not batch from 10 different directions. Start with one topic your audience already cares about. For example, content creation, growing a school community, starting a coaching business, scaling a coaching business, getting clients from a Facebook group, selling without sales calls. One topic gives the batch direction. Random topic gives random views. Step number two is to break that topic into smaller questions. Every YouTube video should answer one clear question. For example, if the topic is content creation, that batch could be, what is content creation for beginners? How to create content? How to repurpose content? Is content creation oversaturated? How to batch create content? How to turn content into clients? Now you have a content cluster, and each video supports the next. Step three is to create simple video outlines. You do not need to script every word unless you need to. Use a simple structure: hook, problem, steps, example, call to action. And here's a simple example. Your hook. Most people batch create content the wrong way. The problem: they film random videos with no strategy. The steps: pick one topic, break it into questions, outline, film, repurpose. One content creation batch can become 7 YouTube videos. And your call to action: comment group if you want the system. This keeps your videos focused without sounding chaotic. Step 4 is to film in blocks. Do not plan, film, edit, upload, and write descriptions in one video at one time. That drains you. Batch by task. One session for ideas, one session for outlines, one session for filming, one session for editing, one session for titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, and one for scheduling. When you separate the tasks, you move faster. Step number 5 is to use the same setup every time. Your setup does not need to be fancy. It needs to be repeatable. Same camera, same lighting, same background, same microphone, same recording space, same intro style. The fewer decisions that you have to make each time, the easier it is to stay consistent. Step number 6 is to record multiple videos around the same problem. That is when batching gets powerful. Do not create disconnected videos. Create the path. For example, if your audience wants to know how to grow a coaching business, batch videos like these. How to start a coaching business online. How to get your first coaching clients. How to create content for your coaching business. How to grow a Facebook group. How to grow a school community. How to sell coaching without calls. How to scale your coaching business. That creates a journey. Someone can find one video and then naturally consume the next video and watch your content. And that leads me on to step 7, repurposing each YouTube video. A YouTube video should not only live just on YouTube. One video can become a Facebook post, a story, a reel, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short, an email, a carousel, a conversation starter, a community discussion. This is how you get more out of every idea. You're not creating more from scratch. You're squeezing more out of the value that you've already delivered. And that leads me on to step 8. Keep the call to action connected. Every video you create should point somewhere, not in a desperate way, just clearly. If your goal is to lead people into the one group operating system, your call to action can be simple. If you want help building a simple content system around your offer, comment group, and I'll send you the details. Or if you want the full system, turning your content into community, conversations, and buyers, join us inside of the one group operating system by smashing on the link down below. Because your content without a next step is just education and going nowhere. So the simple answer is this. To batch create content for YouTube, pick one core topic, break it into specific questions, outline each video, film in blocks, keep your setup simple, create videos that connect to the next one, and repurpose every video into multiple pieces of content. And one of the tools that I use to repurpose my content across social media, you can find down below in the description. So you do not need to random videos. Batch a content path. This is how YouTube becomes easier to manage and more useful for your business. And that is exactly why I'm a part of the One Group operating system. We help coaches, course creators, affiliates, local business owners, beginners, build a simple content system that they can use across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms and school, to build their business and beyond. No guessing what to post, no filming random content just to stay active, no content hamster wheel. Just a clean system from turning one idea into multiple pieces of content that attract the right people, build trust, and lead them towards your offer. If you want a simple content system that you can batch, repurpose, and use to grow your business, comment group down below and I'll send you the details.